Joe Folsom here with Modern Rustic Living team at the Coldwell Banker High Country Realty. I'm here at the roundabout in beautiful downtown Ellijay, where we're kicking off a blog or a vlog to introduce a number of subjects, including real estate related and community related. We'll be discussing everything from appraisals to pre-qualifying, the pre-qualifying process. We're going to go into settlement statements and talk about that. We're going to talk about wiring funds and why most closing attorneys won't accept cashier's checks anymore. We're going to talk about how long it's going to take to sell your house. And we're going to discuss the differences between some of the companies that advertise your property for sale, like Zillow, Trulia, or Realtor.com. We're also going to talk a little bit about FSBOs, for sale by owners, and why that might not be a good idea. And last but not least, we're going to talk about the communities that we live in here in North Georgia. We'll talk about Ellijay. We'll do some interviews with shop owners and store owners. We'll talk about Jasper. We'll talk about Blue Ridge. So we're going to have a nice community section as well, so people watching this vlog can get to understand what attracts people to North Georgia. So come join us. Escape to a better place here in North Georgia. Look forward to seeing you soon.